Arena. There's Rupp Arena right there. I'm right here. I'm gonna guess it'll take me about a half hour to get from here to that building. It's now 9:48.
People in Rupp Arena that want to tell someone to sit down, this ain't it. Get up and leave. Seriously, if you want the person in front of you to sit down, go to the steps, walk your car, and go home, because this ain't your game. Kentucky and Rupp Arena need to have so much energy for this when you kick off SEC play.
We could be celebrating 1 o'clock all the way on with a great slate of college basketball games, NFL this whole afternoon. Like, you couldn't ask for anything better than what we could, assuming things go well.
Okay, get involved. What's his height?
7'9", 7'9". Olivier Rio, very tall.
Mario, what do you think?
Let's go Cats.
We win it tonight?
Yeah, it's gonna be close. Probably like 6 points. 6 points. Oh, y'all see I got it all. You worried about it, Drew? I'm not really worried about it.
Never worried.
It's Florida.
Not at home.
Undefeated against Florida when they're both in the top 10. 4-0. Bring it. Bring it. Gerald Fitch, Keith Bogans, Tayshaun Prince, and Deron Lamb, the Florida Killers.
Kentucky cannot get any stops. They've gotten one defensive stop, and we are about 7 minutes into the game.
Kobe Bray, I got that wide open. It's for $10,000.
the corner. What are you doing? Pull it. Oh, take it. Where are we going? Just down 11, now up 5. Oh my goodness, good ball movement, good pass, Jackson. Come on, baby. Call a foul.
The cheers always start in the upper deck. Always. They always start in the upper deck.
We had 2 different Go Big Blue chants started in the upper decks. One over there and one over there. That's not an and one. That wasn't a foul. Cats lead by 10 at the break. People going crazy. Kentucky just turned an 11-point deficit into a 10-point lead. A 21-point turnaround going into half. Cats lead 52-42. The place is rocking.
This is funny. I cannot get on my Wi-Fi here because everybody else is on it. Look at that. Everybody's on the phone. What's going on? Come on, Jess.
Team 96 national champion, Anthony.
So Florida will be at the line with a chance to cut it to 3. Kentucky not getting defensive rebounds, letting Florida get a few second chances. They actually took 3 threes in one possession on the last one. Of course, they nailed it. You take this. You take this. Up 5, under 16. You take this, especially down 11 early. Four-point game. Florida responds with a triple. It's a 1-point game again. Don't show it off, Kobe! Incredible, he's 7 for 8. Shoot them all. Florida's already shot 26 free throws. They'll get 27 or 28 here. With this win, they were up 89-80. Florida now on a 7-0 run. Butler, what a play coming out of the timeout. Cats lead by 7. That's so bad. That is so bad. That's crazy. They're just anticipating foul calls. I mean, he's on him, right? Come on. No! You're kidding me! You are not serious. You're not serious with these calls. Don't foul. Gosh. They keep getting big shots. Don't foul. You've got to be kidding. I mean, of course he'll hit that. Should do it. What a game.
Don't forget to open your Chick-fil-A mobile app and claim your free chicken sandwich. You must be inside the arena with location services turned on to get your Chick-fil-A reward. It's a new year, and Kentucky Office of Highway Safety asks that you make a resolution.
We're dropping my phone. That could be cracked. Is it cracked? That's how excited we are. We're dropping phones. We forgot our gloves. It's cold outside. It's the earliest rapid reaction we've ever done because it was a unique 11 a.m. start for the SEC opener. A top 10 matchup. Never done that before in the first SEC game. And boys, it was awesome. Kentucky's now 5-0 against Florida when they're both ranked. Come in here, top 10 anytime you want, Florida. We loved having you.
It's going to be great times and hard times, and they're all going to be growing times, and that's why it's so fun.
That was fun, right? That was a gym today. It was super fun. Pretty fun.
It's an hour after the game. We're nearly 1 hour after the game. Still all these people.